In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify dashboard language. We'll walk through this step by step, so by the end, your Shopify admin will be in the language you're most comfortable with. This affects what you see when you log into your Shopify account, not what your customers see in your online store. First, start by going to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin page you land on after signing into your store. If you're not there already, log into your Shopify account using your usual credentials, and you should see the familiar admin home with your orders, products, and left-hand navigation menu. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. It usually has a small gear icon next to it. Click on settings to open up the main settings area for your store. This is where you manage things like store details, users, billing, and of course, language preferences. Inside settings, look for the languages option. Depending on your layout, it might appear as languages or within a section related to your account and preferences. Click on languages to open the page where language-related options are grouped. On the languages page, you'll see different options related to language and regions. What we want to adjust is linked to your account specifically, not the store's customer-facing language. To do that, click on the option labeled Manage Account. This will take you to your Shopify account settings, which control personal preferences like the language used for your dashboard. Once your account page opens, scroll down until you find the language field. This field determines which language Shopify uses for your admin interface. Click on the language drop-down and you'll see a list of available languages. Take a moment to scroll through and find the one you'd like to use. When choosing, remember that this change only affects your own login and how you see the dashboard. Other staff members can choose their own preferred language in their own accounts. Select your preferred language from the list. In most cases, Shopify will automatically save or prompt you to confirm the change. After that, you may need to refresh the page or sign out and sign back in for everything to fully update. Once you do, your Shopify dashboard